everyone, welcome back to Sonya's Sweet and Spicy Kitchen. My name is Sonya Paz and I am your spice master here and the owner of Sonya's Sweet and Spicy Sweet Candied Pickle Jalapeno Peppers. Now, if you stumbled onto this channel, then you will know, well, what's with all this sweet and spicy? Well, our channel, my channel, is all full of sweet and spicy recipes that you can make amazing dishes using my sweet candied pickle jalapenos. But before we get started, I want to tell you that today, this video right now, this is my 50th video, and I'm so excited that the channel is now 1 year old, and I am, I've got a long way to go with a lot of other YouTubers out there who've got millions of subscribers, but I'm working on it. And with your help and with your subscription to get my channel, ring the bell down below and subscribe and tell a few friends. If you haven't tried my jalapenos, contact me, call me. I can hook you up with some seriously amazing flavors that I have created. I'm going back to the beginning to one of the first recipes that I created. Actually, this is the recipe that kind of got this whole ball rolling as far as my sweet candied pickle jalapenos, because the easiest way to serve these is chop them up and serve them over a bed of cream cheese. So we turned a brick of cream cheese that looks like this into something that looks like this. So like I mentioned, we're gonna do super quick and easy appetizer. When I say this is easy, I am not kidding. So what I've done is I basically have taken my Sonya Sweet and Spicy, I've chopped this up, not too fine. I want them a little bit on the coarse side because you want every chip that gets, or every cracker that gets dipped into the cream cheese to get a nice chunks of the jalapenos. So what I'm gonna do is I basically rake my cream cheese like this, just like that. And I'm going to take my jalapenos and I'm going to just pour that in. Now, the reason I raked that cream cheese is because some of the juices are gonna go onto the cream cheese and you want it to sort of go in. So when people do start to dip their cracker in there, they've got some of the juice, which is truly amazing. You don't want to let this juice go to waste. You can add this juice to anything like a margarita, add this juice to the base of a marinade. You can add the juice to make dressings or anything where you might just need a little bit of extra boost. But add this to a margarita and turn it into a nice spiced jalapeno margarita. It is to die for. So that is it. Okay, so when I said this was quick and easy, I was not joking, because you've got the beautiful cream cheese, you've got the chunks of the jalapenos, and you serve it with crackers. Boom, bada bing, super easy. I mean, and it's so flavorful, and I'm gonna show you because I'm gonna try this. This was, like I said, this was one of the first videos that I did on when I started my channel. But I wanted to re-record this just sort of as my 50th video, and because a lot of people like to watch the videos from the most current back and maybe not from the very beginning. So this gives you an opportunity to see what I am talking about when it comes to amazing quick dishes and appetizers featuring my jalapenos. So I'm loading this all up here with my jalapenos, and I'm gonna go ahead and give this a try. Amazing, my favorite, so good. I can eat this whole thing. And that's why I have my wine here, because this doesn't go bad with anything. You can serve it with any kind of cocktail. Wine, red wine, sangria, too amazing. Get a couple of beers, anything that you've got really enhances this. And that is it. If you are going to a potluck or anything where you have to take a dish to share, ladies' night out, guys' night out, poker night, whatever, take a jar of Sonya Sweet and Spicy, pre-chop it up before you go, or you can put the discs, the big chunks. These got huge chunks on here, and you can put those chunks right on here. But I'm telling you, pile it high, chop them up, it's amazing. And you've got enough to feed just a few people, because this is gonna be the thing that goes like that. So Sonya Paz, Sonya Sweet and Spicy. Do not forget that you can get my product online at sonyasweetspicy.com. I also want to give a little bit of a shout out to a few people tonight. Al and Deanna with Tony and Alba's. Pizza in Santa Clara, they carry Sonya Sweet and Spicy. They carry actually the big jars of the Sonya Sweet and Spicy. And they have just been named by the city of Santa Clara as the community hero for all of their amazing efforts that they have done for the community during COVID-19. I also want to give a shout out to some of my peeps like JR, Kelly, and Luann, who tonight wondered where I get the energy after cleaning the yard, doing the windows, packing up kits for my other business, running around, making dinner, everything else that I've done. I haven't washed the dog yet, but I may end up doing that. Who knows? But I want to give them a shout out to say thank you for encouraging me and saying that that you don't mind my endless bouts of crazy energy. Check me out on Facebook, facebook.com, Sonya Sweet Spicy, Instagram.com, Sonya Sweet Spicy, and of course, we're on Twitter, Sonya Sweet Spicy, and on TikTok. That is it, everyone. I hope you have a great rest of the weekend. If you're celebrating Father's Day today, then please hug your dads and wish everyone well and stay safe out there. That's it for today. Everyone, have a great rest of your weekend, and we will talk with you soon. Take care. Bye. So good.